up, YouTube? It's your boy tezdatec. They working on a 2014 Nissan Altima. Today we're gonna do the rear brakes on it. It's a custom vehicle. From now on, all custom vehicles, I'm gonna do a inspection on them. We're gonna do that at the end, but right now we're gonna go and get these brakes knocked out. There go Blue Demon. Should be a 21 on them wheels, on them lug nuts. We got one out here. We're gonna break her loose with that breaker bar, and we're gonna use our impact. Stand by real quick. I'm gonna get this 21. Yeah, we got it. I'll put it, slip it on this breaker bar. I'm gonna break that joker loose. I'm gonna jack this joker up. I'm gonna do one side at a time. And use that control on, cause you know you ain't got no red differential or nothing, so lift this joker up one side at a time. Using the control on. It don't take long. Easy. Cheap ass gloves keep tearing up. That's it, got her now. Let's get to the impact. Yeah, they definitely low. Alright. What I'm looking for. That's what we're looking for. Brake clean. Hit it with that. Crap off. Alright, let me go get another glove and get some more tools. Alright, we're back. New glove. Harbor Freight special. We need, take a guess, let's say 14. Yeah, I figured that. Yeah. So that's what you need. 14, get the caliper both off. Man. Ain't no sense to be that hard. Yeah, we just broke the top one loose. I don't know what's up with that bottom. You gonna use the top. We still gotta. Just gonna use the top, man. Go another glove, but yeah. Pull these out. As you see, they're pretty low. Yeah. Let's get the new one. You always compare your parts, man. And now, new brakes, new pads. Alright, now, know most of y'all should know that you gotta just push that piston back in. That's why I got this C-clamp out. Take your old brake pad, mount that joker in there, line it up. It'd be kind of hard on these little old caliper. Get you, pinch that joker right there. Watch out for that hose. Push that piston back in. I can see it. See that piston going back in. Do that till it's flush. So we got, bam, it's back in. Just like that. One side done. Make sure your dust boot is right. Alright, you take that joker, tighten it back up. Just like that, one side done. Put the wheel back on. Them jokers up. Snug them. There it is. Put the hubcap back on. Alright, other side. Glove gone. Get it zipped down. Alright. We learned our lesson from the last one. So I'm just gonna go on ahead and go from the top this time. Yeah, easy that was. So, you're doing this job, 2014 Nissan Altima. Rear brakes. Get that caliper off, go for the top boat. Be your best bet. Alright, we're just gonna do the same thing over here. Just on the other side. Asbestos. Let's spray that down. Spray that down. Get you some new gloves. Alright, new gloves. I'm gonna take these pads out, about just like that. Whoop. Lay them down. See? That way you don't get a mix up. I don't know what the hell happened, but yeah. In case y'all missed it, I don't know. GoPro just started beeping, but anyway. Place those pads on there just how they come out. That way you know the new way the new ones go in. Put your new pads in. And let's go and push this piston in. Get your old pad. Set it up there. Get your C-clamp, vice grip. Clamps however you want to do it. Everybody got their different preference. Myself, I just use a C-clamp. It's a 6-inch C-clamp. You can get smaller, you can get bigger. But it's just the one I always had. I done had this thing so long. And push many pads in with them. Yeah. Push many pistons in, my bad. Push many caliper pistons in with them. And you can turn that joker anyway, it don't matter. Just as long as it's flat. Put that joker back in. As long as you got a grip. There it is. Back in. Take your bolt out. Just boop. Boom. Just that simple, man. Y'all can be out here changing y'all own brakes. But if y'all want to keep giving, you know, it's a female car, so you know they ain't changing no brakes. But for y'all men, man, y'all could be doing this y'all self, bro. Y'all motherfuckers just lazy. Say you know how to do this and that, but don't want to do it. I'm gonna do mine, cause I don't trust nobody touching mine at all. Just don't move for now, cause this piston pushed y'all in. All right, get your wheel, throw it back on. We done, man. Then we're gonna get this inspection going. Time to use. Start keeping track. That's it, drop it down. Video done, but it's got a video coming soon for it. Blue day. Yep. Slide up. Yeah, it's never bad idea to go back and double check. That's it, man. That's it for the brake job. Put the hood cut back on. Go get the work order. do this basically an inspection, visual inspection. Fill everything out. I'm gonna show y'all all that. I don't know if y'all really want to see that or not. Probably be somewhat boring, but yeah, that's what we're finna do. Okay, man, here's the inspection sheet I got, man. Try to make this thing like a real shop. But anyway, we're gonna get the mileage, all that. Which is 155, 814. Put the customer name on there. What's that year? But anyway, we basically gonna fill out all that. We're gonna check the fluids. We're gonna recommend some services. We're gonna check the battery. We're gonna write the tag, all that on there too, but we're not gonna show y'all that. And that's it, man. Battery, steering linkers, radiator, all that, any leaks and everything like that. We're not gonna check those brakes right now. We're gonna check the tread depth. And yeah, man. I'll be the service advisor and a technician. So, but yeah, what we're gonna do, man, get the mileage and everything on there. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna put the date on there. I need to go check the date. Yeah, man, let's go get the battery tested and things like that. But yeah, man, that's probably gonna be it for this video. That's your boy, tezdatec. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you already hadn't, man. Support me. Everything gonna be in the description for you can do that. But you can support me just by giving me a like or subscribe or comment, man. Anything, suggestions, recommendations, y'all comment and let me know. Other than that, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Brake job is done. I'm finna do the inspection. Y'all probably don't want to see that. If y'all do want to see that, y'all let me know. But for now, I'm just finna go and get that done. That way I can call the customer, contact the customer, and tell our vehicle ready. Other than that, man, that's it. Your boy out, tezdatec.